been a while since we've done a fixer fab, but here's an update. We got the S10 back in the shop after we cleaned it, and it looks like hell. If you can see, it's missing a significant amount of the floorboard, and then this is the aftermath. Just trash. Oh look, there's one of those LED things that go on your wheel that flash. I think we'll save that. There's rust. There's the overhead console I made. That was a rat's nest. That's actually pretty cool. It had black lights in it. We had built a switch panel for it. And it had these switches on it. It's pretty cool. It did the neons and the compressor. Headliner's trash. We'll just take that to Tinworks. We'll let Tinworks take care of that. Here's my seat. I took the seat cover off. It's underneath the trash there. Don't look too bad. Pressure wash that too. It's just like moldy. I think we can fix it. Get it recovered. I kind of wanted to do a King Ranch leather interior on it, but yeah. So this is the mess. When I took the motor and trans out. Yeah, that's gross. I'm putting whatever that thing is on there to soak up the oil and shit. You got some sockets in there I gotta take out. But yeah. So this is kind of sucks. A giant hole in there. And then hold on. It's beer time. Might burnt. Holy shit. Is island. So not attached to anything. So yeah, that sucks. This thing's kind of a piece of shit. I think what the plan is, well, the big thing is I want to get it clean because it was full of piss and rat shit and mouse nest and all that kind of shit. So the plan was to get it running and driving, just leave the paint as it is. It's all right. All the clear coat's coming off. Yeah, but I mean, shit, it's been sitting outside for 20 years, 18 years, abandoned. So I think what the plan is, with as rusty as it is, I mean, the cab corners are shot. My dad repair those with gray stuff and fiberglass back in the day. Yeah, so I think what the plan is, we're gonna pull the cab off, take the doors off. We're gonna get everything sandblasted, media blasted, whatever they want to do. Get it clean, and then I think I'm going to make a chassis for it. I'll keep the front clip. I'll get some new control arms from Thor Bros. And then if your floorboards are that bad, you might as well just back half it, or put a whole chassis on it, like 2x3 square or rectangle tubing, and make it lay body. I mean, there's no sense of putting it back to stock. And then what I really been wanting to do is put an independent rear in this. So I think I'm gonna go up to Midway Mustang and get a Mustang GT independent rear. It's got its own K-member and shit to it, and I'll graft that in here. So I think it'll look cool. But yeah, the big thing, I want to get it clean. It's clean. I'll probably just set it in the corner for now. I want to get the Mustang done. It has to get done. I got the heads off. They're nice and clean. I gotta get them on the bench, get them ported up. They cleaned up nice. Let's see, I got this big ass K-member off. I got the, I forget who makes it. I got their K-member on there. Motor sitting in there. I gotta get busy with this. It's got to be done here in 49 days. So that's when I get married, so want it done before then. But yeah, so it's kind of a mosh of videos right now. I've been out of the loop, but I haven't been in the shop for like 2 months because I've been working a lot of hours. So, but yeah, it's a quick update. Dakota still untouched. Haven't messed with that. Throwing it. I thought about pulling this out and selling it and buying the Holley Terminator. But you know what? I've never tuned the MS3, so I may just tune it. But it would be nice to have the Holley. Would have to have a computer to tune it. But the fuel system's about 90% done. I got to finish that. The Mustang, I got to. It still runs, but it needs a fuel system. So I'm gonna put a. You already have a. What is it? Aeromotive Dominator or Eliminator fuel pump and all that stuff for it. Lincoln still runs. It's good to go. I haven't touched it because I wanted to stay running. I did buy a nice GPS, or not GPS, DVD player deck. It's gonna go in the console there. I'll finish making a center console for that. Probably knock that out one weekend. But yeah, the gearbox is looking good. You guys have been working hard on this. Got the glitter steering wheel on there. So it's coming together. Got the sticker table on there. LED light up cup holders. So yeah, it's a quick update. Updating the people that do watch Fix or Fab. I appreciate it. If you guys need stickers, let me know. I got stickers for free. Just private message me on I'll send them out to you. So, but yeah, that's about the update. Plan is to get rid of the 4L80, and in Dakota we're gonna put a 6-speed in it, a T56. I've always wanted a 6-speed in it. I think now's the time. The 80 that's in it runs, but it shifts, whatever. It needs rebuilt at some point. The guy pulled it out, said it was coming in and out of overdrive, so I don't know, maybe I'll send it anyways. But I got a 6-speed laying over there. We'll put that in there. So anyways, thanks for watching. This is Fix or Fab.